Hey everybody, we're checking into the tree houses at Saratoga Springs, so let's hop on in and take a tour. We're in 7049, so super isolated, which is really nice. We plan on staying here and playing a lot of games. There's a grill. There's some danger. Walk upstairs and see what we've got. Okay, so right off the bat, to the left, we have this really cool seating area. It's this huge space. It has 4 seats, but I'm sure we can find more room. There's a bench. Here's the door, 7049. Okay. Oh wow. All right, let's see what we're looking at here. All right, so immediately to the right, we have our safe, our ironing board, vacuum. There's some space for coats, raincoats, wind jackets, that kind of thing. This great little seating area, 4 chairs and a bench. A nice little wooded view. To the right, we have our kitchen area. Super, super cute. 3 benches along the bar. You come on in, you have a full fridge and freezer, dishwasher, sink, and look at how all of the cabinets look like they're made of wood. Oh, because they are made of wood. This is kind of heavy. You have all of your utensils, pots, wine glasses. Ooh, lots for mimosas. They must have known I was coming. Plates, microwave, your stove, measuring cup, Pyrex bowls. Oh, cute little juice glasses, mugs, bigger juice glasses, paper towels, pot holders, mixing bowls, colander. All of your silverware. I love how Disney puts them like this at opposite ends, so you can squeeze all kinds of silverware in there. Smart. Over by the sink, you have your coffee and all of your coffee accoutrements. They have your spatula. Oh, this is all grilling stuff. Empty drawer. And, more paper towels. Dishwashing stuff, and under the sink you have your trash can and recycling receptacles. Alright. So outside of the kitchen and the dine-in area, you have more seating. You have a chair, your little log phone area. Then you have a very large love seat, which I think might pull out. Sure does. So that pulls out into a bed. Nice coffee table. Oh, TV. Another big chair. These chairs are large. They very comfortably can fit a person, maybe even 2 people. Cute artwork. And then through this door, we have one of the bedrooms. You have a little bench here with some storage. The hooks. Welcome rolling party, that's us. A little desk and a seat and a lamp. The bed, your nightstand. Oh, cute. The dresser and 4 drawers, very deep drawers, outlets and USB ports up top here by each side of the bed. Lots of places to charge your stuff. Over on the desk, if you can't charge your stuff here, then there's no hope for you. Nice little view, very wooded, very isolated. You would hardly know you're in Florida. All right, it's a mirror. Hi, me. And then you continue on to one of the bathrooms. Wow. So you have a nice huge sink with shelves above it. That's nice. Huge mirror. Hi, me. It's a beautiful sink. And oh my gosh, look at the shower. So it's an enormous walk-in shower. Pull to open. So I've never seen this before. So you shower out here, this little area, nice little bench there to sit or rest your foot when you're shaving, you know, what have you. And then there's also a tub right next to it. Nice little faucet. So if you want to take like a massive bubble bath, you could also get out of the bubble bath and rinse off here outside of the bathtub. I'm just saying, that's an option. Close that up. And then here is your toilet situation. Its own separate room, towels in there, toilet paper, toilet. Who doesn't need towels when they're going to the bathroom? All right, continuing on. We'll go back out of this room. Back through the kitchen. Straight through the kitchen. And here is the bunk bed room. There are 2 bunks, as bunk beds would suggest. You have a cute little light and a huge TV and a dresser with 6 very deep drawers. More places to charge things. Very large bunk beds that look like they're made out of trees. So fun. And I guess they're wood, so they probably are made out of trees. Artwork on the wall they're trays. That's cool. There's actually a phone in here, more outlets by the bed. This really cool corner shelf where you can fit tons of stuff. Huge windows. Open or close the draperies. View of the stairs. Nice closet. Oh, which has like a crib. That's cool. Laundry basket. Hangers. Alright, heading out of here, we head to the right. And oh, we have a 3-door situation. Let's go to the right first. So we have a queen size bed, another telephone, a mirror. Hi again, me. The bed. Oh, this is different. This is a different lamp. This is kind of a birch one. With a nightstand. Cute. Oh, reading lights on either side. More beautiful views. The woods. Lots of windows in this place, I have to say. Another giant TV and a dresser with kind of like vanity drawers. And then 2 very large dresser drawers. More outlets, USB ports. Believe, imagine, hope, dream. Cute. A closet with your extra pillows and blankets. Tons of hangers here. Lots of space. This is deep. This is very, very deep. Could easily fit suitcases in there. I'll head on out of here into the hallway. Directly across. I assume this is your laundry. It is. All right. Washer dryer. Very nice. And you have a broom, mop, dustpan right there. And then to your right is another bathroom, I suspect. Yep. Okay. So we have a nice big mirror again, a vanity mirror, shelf, all of your towels, drawers, oh, hair dryer, the drawer, more towels, lots of counter space. These counters are deep. Some butterfly artwork, your toilet obviously, then a very nice shower, huge shelf to put all of your shower items on, and a shelf for the ladies. Very nice shower head. Very, very nice. Nice shower hooks. And then we'll come back on out. And that's it. So that's it. That's our treehouse. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Have you guys stayed in one of the tree houses before? Let us know in the comments. This is our first time, so we're very excited. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.